ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन् ऊतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् नम आव्याधिनेभ्यो विविध्यन्तेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमवुगणाभ्यस्त्रगुंहतीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रातेभ्यो व्रातपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो मखद्भ्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथिभ्यो रथेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथेभ्यो रथपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनानिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्रुभ्यः सङ्ग्रहीतृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः तक्षभ्यो रदकारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः यिषुकृद्भ्यो धन्वकृद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगजुभ्यश्वनिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः श्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः Offering my pranams at the lotus feet of Samadha Sadguru Sainath Maharaj, the Guri, the Guru, and the Giri. The destiny, the path, and the summit. We're very blessed to be contemplating and the journey into the life of Pandharpur saints. What an incredible grace of Bhagavan this is, to be able to celebrate the glory of the Guru for 11 days, including Parayana of Satcharitra and the contemplation on the life of these Varkari saints that established this path of bhakti and rejuvenated the spirit of Sanatana Dharma, independent of caste, creed, religion, the love of God pouring in. When I say religion, you are wondering what is the religion to do with this. Yes, Bhakt Kabir, Sant Kabir was a Muslim by his brought up. Jnandev is the founder of this movement of bhakti, as we contemplated yesterday, along with his guru, Nivrittinath, and his disciples, Sopan and Muktabai, his siblings, Jnandev, Sopan, Muktabai, Namdev, Gorakumbha, Chokamela, Janabai, Sant Kabir, Mirabai, Eknath, another great saint that we did not have the opportunity to study during this time is Sant Eknath, who has the equal place in the context of rejuvenating this bhakti movement. Nivritti means to go inside. Nivritti, yesterday I was saying, just saying Nivritti, Jnandev, Sopan, Muktabai, this itself is the path of realization. Simply repeating those names. You are wondering really why? Nivritti means the opposite of pravritti. Pravritti is the mind going outside. Nivritti is the mind going inside. Taking the mind inside is the path of wisdom. Therefore, Jnanadev. Once you take the mind inside into your heart and you understand the source of this, then the wisdom dawns, and that is the step to be able to the next step in spiritual aspect, and that steps towards progress. The ultimate is sopan, and the ultimate goal is mukti, muktabai, which is the essence of freedom. The end of knowledge is freedom, that is mukti. So just these four names, imagine what they have brought into awareness. And in the context of going into this inner awareness, when we realize this, the expression of this inner realization in the relative world is bhakti. The experience is nivritti. Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba very beautifully has said the following words: Shakti, Rakti, Bhakti, Virakti, Mukti. Shakti, God has given us the energy. This is the Shakti. And when this energy, the Shakti, is channeled towards the passion, towards worldly things, is Rakti. But when it is turned towards the inner self, it is Bhakti. And through this Bhakti, one gets a detachment towards the outer world, Virakti. Then what happens? Mukti, liberation, freedom. Nivritti, Jnanadev, Sopan, Muktabai. Nivritti, Jnanadev, Sopan, Muktabai. Nivritti, Jnanadev, Sopan, Muktabai. While he was bringing this beautiful aspect of Bhagavad Gita as Jnaneshwari, Sant Jnanadev, as we were talking yesterday, has also spread this beautiful aspect of bhakti. It's the wisdom and the and we concluded yesterday with this beautiful abhang. एकतत्त्वनामा दृढधरिमान एकतत्त्वनामा दृढधरिमान हरिसि करुणा येला तुझे एकतत्त्वनामा दृढधरिमान ते नाम सोपे रे राम कृष्ण गोविंद राम कृष्ण गोविंद ते नाम सोपे रे राम कृष्ण गोविंद वाचेसी सकळ जपे आधी एक तत्व नाम दृढ धरी मन नाम परते तत्व नाही रे अन्यथा वाय अणिक पंथावय जासी धणे एक तत्व नाम दृढ धरी मना ज्ञानदेव मौना जपमाला अंतरी ज्ञानदेव मौना जपमाला अंतरी धरुनी श्रीहरी जपे सदा एक तत्व नाम दृढ धरि मन ते नाम सोपे रे राम कृष्ण गोविंद 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 राम कृष्ण गोविंद. Hold firmly in the mind the one truth in his name. Hari, the Lord, will show mercy on you. It is so easy to repeat Rama Krishna Govinda. Repeat it always with all your being. There is no other truth like God's name. To walk another path is just waste of time. Jnanadev says, silently behold the japamala that is inside you. सांसों सी माला पे गिमुरू में पी का नाम. मीराबाई says, सांसों की माला पे I take upon the name of God with सांसों की माला, which is the japamala of your breathing. In and out as you breathe in, breathe out. Tie it with God's name, whatever name is beautiful to your mind and attracted towards. Mansur Ali Khan says, Ali nu yaad karo, ral ke faryad karo, e gariba se o asra. Ali Mola, Ali Mola, Ali Dam Dam, Ali Mola, Ali Mola, Ali Dam Dam, lakhte karo revari akh dam dam. Repeat hundreds of thousands of times. Ali Mola, Ali Mola, Ali Mola, Ali Mola. Every saint, every sage, every seer has emphasized this name of God. So did Jnanadev 745 years ago. After he completes this beautiful Jnana, Jnaneshwari, the Bhagavad Gita, expanded from 700 slokas to thousands ovis in Marathi, Jnanadev now takes a journey towards Pandharpur. He is the first one to do this Varkari. And when he goes to this beautiful place of Pandharpur. There he stands at the feet, at the doorstep of Bhagavan, and he starts singing. देवाची ये द्वारी उभा क्षण भरी देवाची ये द्वारी उभा क्षणरी तेणे साथियेला साथियेला देवाची ये द्वारी उभा क्षणभरी हरिमुखे म्हणा हरिमुखे म्हणा पुण्याची गणना कोण करी पुण्याची गणना कोण करी कोण करी देवाची ये द्वारी उभा क्षणभरी असोणी संसारी जिह्वे वेग करी असोणी संसारी जिह्वे वेग करी वेदशास्त्र उभारी बाह्या सदा बाह्या सदा देवाची ये द्वारी उभा क्षणभरी ज्ञानदेव म्हणे व्यासाची ये खोणे ज्ञानदेव म्हणे व्यासाची ये खोणे द्वारकाचे राणा पांडव घरी पांडवा घरी देवाची ये द्वारी उभा क्षणभरी तीन मुक्तिचारी साधियेल्या साधियेल्या देवाची ये द्वारी उभा क्षणभरी. Just stand at the gate of the Lord, just even for a moment. Offer your love to Him. You shall attain all the 4 types of salvation. What a beautiful statement. We are thinking 4 types of salvation. 4 types of salvation. Salokya, Samipya, Samipya, Salokya, Sarupya, Sayujya. 4 types of salvation. You will immediately attain. With pure heart and love, you stand at the feet of this divine Lord and say, Panduranga, Panduranga, Ramakrishna Govinda, Jai Jai Ramakrishna Hari, Ali Mola. Pick whatever name you want. Harimukh Manha, chant the name of Hari. Punyachi Ganana Kon Kari. Who can count the merit of the one who chants his name always? Nobody can even comprehend the bhakti of the one who is chanting the name of God. Asoni sansari, jihve veg kari. Living in this world, perform your duties with constant remembrance of the holy name of God. Asoni sansari, jihve veg kari. Veda Shastra Ubhari Bahya Sada. All the Vedas and Shastras will bless you, will come and hug you with open arms. All these Vedas and Shastras, Agamas, Puranas, everything, they will come to you. You don't have to go to them. you can continue to do your work. Asoni sansari jihve veg kari, Veda Shastra Vubhari Bahya Sadha. Now he's saying, what proof you want? Jnandev is saying, Jnanadev says, I give you proof of Bhagavan Veda Vyasa. Now you see, Guru Purnima, today is the Vyasa Purnima. Vyasam Vasishtanaptaram Shakteh Pautramakal Ratmajam Vande Shukatatantam Vyasaya Vishnurupaaya Vyasarupaaya Vishnave Namo Vai Brahmanithaya Vasishtaya Namo Namaha Avikaraya Shuddhaya Nityaya Paramatmane Sadaika Rupa Rupaya Vishnave Sarvajishnave Yasya Smarana Matrena Janma Samsara Bandhanat Vimuchyate Namastasyair Vishnave Prabha Vishnave Om Namo Vishnave Prabha Vishnave. Jnanadev is saying, Jnanadeva Mane Vyasachiye Kone. I'll give you the proof of what Bhagavan Vyasa has said. That the Lord of Dwaraka, Dwaraka Rana, Pandava Ghari, how this Dwaraka Rana, the king of Dwaraka, how he served at Pandava's home. And this incredible movement of bhakti starts from here with Jnanadev meeting Namadev and the ecstasy of Pandharpur. Jnanadev hearing the great devotion of Namadev. When they go in front of Namadev, Jnanadev and Nivritti, they both bow down to Namadev. And now you are wondering, what is this? Who is bowing to who? This bowing down business is nothing to do with that body. Whatever you are bowing down to is going to Sarvam Sri Sai Krishna Arpanamastu. The brothers and the sister now undertake this beautiful journey. They spent their time singing the Lord's praises, and the group gained from Jnanadev's philosophical outlook. Now I told you, this, the disciple of Jnanadev, Vishobha Kechar, was the guru of Namadev. Sukha Pandaris Pahale Bhimatiri Bahu. Happiness in Pandharpur. Ecstasy in Pandharpur. To see this, many have gathered on the banks of Bhima. The servants of Hari, the Haridas, Preme Garzati Hariche Das Mage Pandhari Nivas. The servants of Hari shout out with love. Behind them stands the house of Pandhari. They roll over to attain bliss in singing this dance and glory of singing Panduranga, 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 Panduranga. Seeing them, Muktabai is in serene peace. Jnanadev is touched. Gonai looks on and laughs. This is another abhang that describes the ecstasy of Pandharpur. Now, Jnanadev asks Namdev to join him on pilgrimage to entire India. Namdev says, how can I leave my Panduranga and come? Jnanadev says, bring him with you. He is also coming with us. And Namdev agrees. And it is, the legend goes that they have toured many places. Ujjain, Prayaga, Kasi, Ayodhya, Vrindavan, Dwaraka, and many other places. They touched Punjab and every place. All these other contemporary saints like Kabir Das and everybody join them. Now you see, this is the movement of bhakti, the foundation of which the inspiration comes from Jnanadev and Namdev. And in this ecstasy, they are singing, Hari, 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 Haryala re, Hari ala re, Haryala re, Hari re. संत संग ब्रह्मानंद झाला रे, संत संग ब्रह्मानंद झाला रे, हरि आला रे, हरि आला रे, हरि आला रे, हरि आला रे. हरि ये थे रे, हरि ते थे रे, हरि ये थे रे, हरि ते थे रे, हरि वीण दिसी री तेरे, हरियाणा रे, हरियाला रे, हरियाला रे, हरि आला रे. हरि आदि रे, हरि आदि रे, हरि अंति रे, हरि आदि रे, हरि अंति रे, हरि व्यापक सर्वाभूति रे, हरि व्यापक सर्वाभूति रे, हरि आला रे, हरि आला रे, हरि आला रे, हरि आला रे. हरि जाना रे, हरि नेना रे, हरि जाना रे, हरि नेना रे. बाप रखमाई देवी वर राणा रे, बाप रखमाई देवी वर राणा रे, हरियाला रे, हरियाला रे, हरियाला रे, हरि आला रे, हरि हरि. Hari has come. Hari has come. In the company of the saints, I have found bliss. Santa Sange Brahmananda Zalare. Hari is here. Hari is there. There is nothing besides Hari in any direction that you may see. See Hari. Meditate on Hari. There is no other than Hari. Sing about Hari. Dance with Hari. Bliss accumulates whenever you see Hari, whenever I see Hari. Hari Pahata Anand Sathere. Hari is the beginning, Hari is the end, Hari is the innate in all the beings. Get to know about Hari. Sing the praises of Hari. Bap, the father, Rakumai Devi Varanare, the consort of the mother, Rakumai, Panduranga. After this incredible journey with all the saints of Pandharpur, Jnandev then returns to Alandi along with Nivurti, Sopan and Muktabai. Jnandev is so much in merger with the Bhagavan. Krishna, 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 Sakhamaza Narayana, Sakhamaza Narayana, Kari Chinta Nivarana, Nivarana, Sakhamaza Narayana. माझ सावरिता घरी, माझ सावरिता घरी, आली विघ्न दूर करी, माझ सावरिता घरी, आली विघ्न दूर करी, आली विघ्न दूर करी, आली विघ्न दूर करी, सखा मज नारायणा, सखा मज नारायणा. दोष जालुनी समस्ता, दोष जालुनी समस्ता, शुद्ध करी माझे चित्त, दोष जालुनी समस्ता, शुद्ध करी माझे चित्त, 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 सखा मज नारायणा, सखा मज नारायणा. करी चिंता निवारण, निवारण, सखा मज नारायणा. तोची लक्ष्मी माझे गीता, तोची लक्ष्मी माझे गीता, स्वामी म्हणे मी निश्चिंता, तोची लक्ष्मी माझे गीता, स्वामी म्हणे मी निश्चिंता, स्वामी, 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 स्वामी. तोची लक्ष्मी माझे गीता, स्वामी म्हणे मी निश्चिंता, स्वामी म्हणे मी निश्चिंता, स्वामी म्हणे मी निश्चिंता. Jnandev declares to the Sant that he is now going to give up his avatar, his mission has come to an end. He was 21 years old at this point of time. The devotees around him were, although very upset, they knew they can't come in between the will of the devotee. Jnandev was worshipped. A pit was dug on the left side of Siddheshwara temple in Alandi. This body was blessed to be present at this place. And for 3 days and nights, continuous kirtana was carried out. And on the 13th day of Krishna Paksha of Kartik Mas, Namdev's children cleaned the pit. They spread the bilva and the tulsi leaves and flowers, laid some kusha grass and deer skin over which Jnandev would be sitting in samadhi. After he took the river bath, Namdeva worshipped him with garlands, sandal paste, and light. The villagers prostrated and offered their pranams, Shatakoti pranams to Jnandev. It was 1296 AD. Jnandev took leave of everyone, entered the place of samadhi, sat for his final meditation, and they closed the pit. He did Jiva Samadhi, giving up his body knowingly in Mahasamadhi. After his brother left the mortal coil, or he did not even leave the mortal coil, he was present. This is Jivan Mukta, liberated while he is completely alive in his body. Jivan Mukta. Within 8 months of time from that point, Muktabai was taken away by lightning. There is a beautiful abhang that Muktabai sings, Mungi Udali Akashim, Tinem Gilelim Suryasim. I cannot understand the meaning of this bhajan. I have been meditating on this abhang to understand what she even meant. Very beautifully she writes, an ant flew into the sky, she swallowed the sun. Mungi Udali Akashim. Tinem Gilalim Suryasim. An ant flew into the sky, she swallowed the sun. Surprise, surprise. A barren woman gave birth to a child. A scorpion burrows into the underworld. Shesh bows his head down to its feet. A fly gave birth to a hawk. Muktabai watched and laughed. After Mukta was taken away by the lightning, Nivritti and Sopan also leave their mortal coils in Jiva Samadhi. There begins the foundation of the Bhakti movement. They went inside, they laid the foundation for the Bhakti movement, all these four great souls, upon which the walls of Namadev, Gorakumbha, Chokamela, Zanabai, how many, so many different walls of this mansion of Bhakti movement was built, and the roof was laid by Eknath and Tukaram almost 400-500 years later. However, this journey of these great saints continues to happen as every single soul in this world is awakened by the love for God they have within and awakened by the knowledge that liberates each and every soul from this coil, from this cycle of birth and death. Jnandev, Nimurti, Sopan, Muktabai. Nivritti, Jnandev, Sopan, Muktabai. As we conclude this offering to Bhagavan in gratefulness, in bringing us all together, this incredible journey into the lives at a time when Varkari cannot be happening. However, we have taken a journey into this. Let us not stop here. Let us continue to study the lives of such great saints and inspiration. We conclude this offering with the last 9 verses of Jnandev's Jnaneshwari, and the last 9 are called Pasaidan. And as you listen to this, I'll also project the meaning and hope you are watching this. Ata Vishwatmake Deve Enevag. Now the Lord, who is the soul of this universe, be pleased with offering of these words, and thus pleased grant me this wish. May all sinners discard their evil. May all sinners discard their evil ways and take delight in good deeds. May all beings live in harmony with each other. May the darkness of sin vanish and the universe illumined by the rising sun of righteousness. May the earnest desires of all mankind be fulfilled. These saints, forest of living wish fulfilling trees, they are kalpatarus and spirited home of the fulfilling heavenly gems, Chintamani. Their speech is ocean of nectar, like the moon without a blemish, sun without the oppressive heat. May these virtuous souls always be the source of comfort for everyone. Indeed, with the universe imbued with happiness, let everyone pray uninterruptedly the primal being of the universe. And those who make this sacred text their life force in this world may triumph over that which is seen and unseen. And then Sri Vishweshwara, brother and Guru Nivrittinath, said, "Your wish will be granted." This boon brought great content and happiness to Jnana Dev. These are the last 9 verses of Jnaneshwari. Please listen to this in reverence and prayer to the great Guru of all times, Mahadbhyaha, Kshullakebhyaha, Stakshabhyaha, Radhakarebhyaha, Kulalebhyaha, Karmarebhyaha, Punjishtebhyaha, Nishadebhyaha. Pranams, Shatakoti pranams, countless pranams and love to all the great saints. Jai Sai Ram.
आता विश्वात्मके देवे येणे वाग्यज्ञे तोषावे तोषोनि मज द्यावे पसाय दान हे जे खळांची व्यंकटी सांडो तया सत्कर्मी रती वाढो भूता परस्परे पडो मैत्र जीवांचे दुरिताचे तिमिर जाओ विश्वस्वधर्म सूर्ये पाहो जो जे वांछील तो ते लाहो प्राणी जात वर्षत सकळ मंगळी ईश्वर निष्ठांची मांदियाळी अनवरत भूमंडळी भेट तू भूता चला कल्पतरूंचे आरव चेतना चिंतामणींचे गाव बोलते जे अर्णव पीयूषाचे चंद्रमे जे अलांछन मार्तंड जे तापहीन वचन सोय रे हो तू किंबहुना सर्व सुखी पूर्ण होनी तिही लोकी भजिजो आदि पुरुषी अखंडित आणि ग्रंथोपजीविये विशेषी लोकीये दृष्टादृष्ट विजये हो आवे येथ म्हणे श्री विश्वेश्वराव हा होईल दान पसावो येणे वरे ज्ञान देवो सुखिया झाला
Sai Ram. Now we shall go to the live Sage Arti from Sai Seva Sadan. Jai Sai Ram.